If you are worried and think you have missed your chance to sell because of recent headlines about the housing market cooling and buyer demand moderating, here's what you need to know. Buyer demand hasn't disappeared, it's just eased from the peak intensity we saw over the past 2 years. Let's talk about buyer demand then and now. During the pandemic, mortgage rates hit record lows, and that caused a significant rise in buyer demand. Who wouldn't buy at that time when you would get more house for your money with interest rates being so low? Even homeowners, some like yourself, took advantage of the rates and refinanced. It was great in real estate during that time. This year, as rates continue to increase due to factors like rising inflation, buyer demand has pulled back or softened as a result, meaning some buyers have self-selected out of purchasing. Therefore, you may not see 20 offers or more on one house as it was during the pandemic. Or maybe your home would be move-in ready and priced correctly, which would produce multiple offers. The latest data from ShowingTime confirms this trend. Let's look at the graph. The orange bars in the graph represent the last few months of data and the clear cool down in the volume of home showings of houses that the market has seen since mortgage rates started to rise. But context is important. To get the full picture of where today's demand stands, let's look at the July data for the past 6 years. This second visual makes it clear that while moderation is happening, you see the comparison to the frenzy in 2020 and 2021, showing activity is still beating pre-pandemic levels. That goes to show that there's still demand to sell your house in today's market. The key to selling in a changing market is understanding where the housing market is now. Let me say that again. The key to selling in a changing market is understanding where the housing market is now. It's not the same market we had last year or even earlier this year, but that doesn't mean the opportunity to sell has passed. While things have cooled a bit, it's still a seller's market. Now, if you work with me, your trusted real estate agent, to price your house at the current market value, maybe a little higher, not just any random number. Let's base it off what has sold in your area, your market, homes that are similar in range, in rooms, baths, square footage, amenities, year, and condition. Yes, the condition of properties are important in pricing a home too. If you do these simple suggestions, the demand is still there and it should sell quickly without price adjustments. According to a recent survey from Realtor.com, 92% of homeowners who sold in August reported being satisfied with the outcome of their sale. The bottom line, buyer demand hasn't disappeared. It's just moderated this year. If you're ready to sell your house today, let's connect so you have expert insight on how the market has shifted and how to plan accordingly to get you the highest net in a quick time frame. Let's talk even if you just have questions and not quite ready to sell. Until next time, peace.